nkoma mudi no o kasa zena me wusumiti kakra
me
ne nkransa fo akofa ba no I like it. Manage hopa. Omo shase amayedi inkomo. They are open conversation about the drip machines. I no kore aban ni twem no the drip machines no be.
Okay.
One say or the target election period. Enti ye betro aba no be 2 months me ya tro aba ni machines no be no mo de 5 billion. Ekototo assembly biya mwakantiti skano eno mode toto diesel ne omode ya adwuma kakra na abanu lusuye bepe mo na menu mienu yati hwe maban eye ndisi aban onye nhihye papa biya na efosikasem a efa drips no.
Okay.
Unfortunately, abano so assign amaye guidelines. Sani ye use common funds. Nti ya summary biya common fund na ye use no. Wam fat drip machines no anka ho.
Okay.
Nti woka se a summary binum machines eye adwuma no kore. Eye MPs throughout Ghana. Ni MPs common fund no de aban amfa resolution bia anto.
Okay.
Ono de se ni MP no penu use. Ti ba bia machines no ye adwuma no from what we call MP share of the common fund. No mo de ye adwuma. Me Techiman South. Unfortunately, me MP opposition.
Okay.
But me can we know say MP Edi memo abrame.
Honorable Agyei Mensah
Kosa. Okay. I'm a man sign. Our request is say yemfa drip machines no mano. Okay. Na onfanye adwuma bi ewo Techiman. Ma endorse a sign ayi biribia amano.
Okay.
Se nyame boa enche machines no bi or the beko akoye adwuma.
Mayor Mintwa no maintenance be no more maintenance be once Techiman South ya de ya maintain ya CC na was a region beyond district
bianfa untimi information bianko ye adwuma bra wo maintain no
di ya de no
ya de na ne wom ni say
okay
drip for the basse ye ni zoom lion for inside contract for maintenance of the maintenance PC I say servicing servicing of the machines.
Okay.
Ono ne yanye.
Techiman South yanye servicing.
Yan sign contract with the Zoom Lion.
Adentia.
Minister Minister told all the assemblies say no yin sign our contract.
But I learned that Techiman North almost service o mode.
Kase almost sign our contract.
Yes. So almost sign ya meaning say
yes a breno so Zoom Lion for beba be service. Me so me di me machine si adwuma na breh so me service. Ni ewom ni say a contract no who sign say who ni Zoom Lion wo agreement a specific amount every quarter ese so tria di ma Zoom Lion for and only minister saying categorically say my signs our contract na yes say ya o de ahoma bi aso kon SOMPA FM because contract is no and so easy so sorry I know since our contract yes we sign contract na o de sudie bi ato ho so machines no ne warranty 2 years meno ye kase ebedru be say September na 2 years no aso enti se me koko sign contract no na me de sudie aba betro me so from maybe September October ekubia no na me kon hye Zoom Lion for contract na se meanwhile say me use me machines no na do say me service ya there was several service providers here almost services no cheaper sine ne Zoom Lion be provided there my no
nti me yo me bo company na what
maybe say machines no a use no there be machine enye Techiman machine
okay
Techiman machines ya ewo kurum ha bebre ba ye de ye adwuma no Zoom Lion for ne service ma omo ana Debbie we have private companies individuals here almost service omo machines no nyina de ma omo
nti meaning say company na
question ye wo mu pa ne say madam die benti a ya ban yi ba power na Zoom Lion aprapra no oji free Zoom Lion some. To be frank, Zoom Lion contract with government biano, madam, o cheat the government of the day. And he said, Jumaya, young fast servicing of the machines no Zoom Lion. So Zoom Lion or the 10 cities here, Ubenya Obia, Obeji 7 cities, 6 cities. Na render similar and the same quality service to the machines.
Wow.
Na we no asem no ne ye me de ne say encourage for a open conversation about drip machines. Ne ye ba no nkomodie no ebeye de pa
nti Techiman South so mo pese mo follow sa nkwanza for the no ana
can say me follow
okay
na me mum nkomodie o se ye fa so na ye di na ye hu se drip machines no sabi onwo fufuo obaka se ye ni fufu wie obia ofufu a oye nkwan na ye de nkwan no adi fufuo no na wawo fufuo asio nkwan enni ho a fufuo no be ye den adi tin ye me pe ma kire ne se machines no de ye wo ho esese ye nya dedicated funding source ma ye hunu se sika we ne ye de to fango ye de good drip machines no mu but so far the whole Ghana ye ni sa sika no bi ye de service machines no enunti abako assembly bi me kon kransan 3 days ago Kransan South
okay
me wura omo residency ma hunu se machines no pack ho more than basic 6 months the machines no mun tuye esisi wo enti wo enu ne inform on Kransan assembly ne Kransan assembly no ye no musi illegal de fine na madam machine no susisi wa enye adwuma no de benefit and the good people of Nkransa omunya de afiri so abaye white elephant ne sisi wo nti if there is any way possible ebe mo manye skadi machines no ye adwuma na benefit the good people of Nkransa. They were thinking aloud, and that's the way I be free say. Ebe bo mo machines no aye adwuma na a benefit the community no ana atima fufu the purpose of which ye to machine no ye dia ban scan betwe ya nto se ye mfansi se awie ma awia hye no na nsu entomo no keke
okay
nti o ma she conversation bi ase nkomodie bi ase yemiem na yeni nkomo no na yempe solution because problem bi awo ha I just see any solution to it na solution o mo pe no na o mo de akofo ze e the machines no be ma ha na yenye sika na ye de akwa ye adwuma de ama communities no bia so a eba beduru regional minister wa regional minister so no gina region nyina de ama president o de konkran say say assembly bi be the machines no ma han o ma sha asi bi assembly bi so be ka say yeso ikora ye to machine himienu na de nya sika na de aka ye adwuma na enkomodie no ba ebetwe mpanyimfo bi adwene asisu say bia guidance common fund ye the 5% ye be madrip make us say to be frank me last week I went to the ministry me come ministry no me the request koye say me 10% ya me de ye ensuo mechanized borehole no 10% no ma ye anya 10 boreholes no a save be say 600,000 be quantities can be say 6 billion ewo ho timi de letter come ministry no say omuma mitumi omuma makwanya na memfa sky ento diesel engu machines no mu na memfa ntwa makwan so na makwan atete apansam.
Okay.
Say save omude sika bi shem say memfa nye sa adwuma na nka memfa nye senka me de ye but our hands are tight. Ti say no kra no save sika bi from somewhere else no me ni authority say me am fasika no me o na me de koye akwan di ma me nkurofo ma omhoto mo.
Okay.
Me de letter eco ministry Agyei verbally they praise me say fine ye be ma good response. Okay. But until say menya feedback no me ntimi nkoye adwuma no because in Ghana for yemre bi o say causing financial loss to the state.
Yeah.
Eduru ba bia almost misappropriation of funds. And yes, what this can na mum scam men for water. One found you su adwuma. O de akutwa amanfo be kwan so ne de ama omo. Ghana maratentene he obechiw.
Okay. Mayor Medase, yemfri sound komai ho na yenko enkomofofo.